Hey everybody, today we went to a produce auction. I'm going to show you what we have and tell you what we're going to do with it. Okay, we'll start with the corn. I got 2 boxes of corn. I know they're in banana boxes, but that's alright. This corn is bicolored corn. It's beautiful corn. We're even going to save this corn silk. I'll tell you what we're going to do with that in a future video. Right now, all this corn is slotted to go to the freezer. That corn I paid $2.70 a dozen for, and bicolored corn is now going for about $6 a dozen here. Now these green peppers and yellow and red peppers. That's a nice box of peppers. That's a pretty deep box. It's full. All those peppers are good. They are, I paid $4 for that box. These are nice big peppers. What I'll do is we'll dehydrate these. The ones I don't cook. We got yellows. They're very nice peppers. Now back here I got 3 boxes of a pepper. Let's see what they called them. Specialty mild hot. They're a half bushel box. Now these I paid for. These are nice peppers, and I paid $9 a box for these. For half bushel is $9. Now over to here. These are my pickling cucumbers, and a half a bushel I paid $5.50. So these are large picklers. A lot of them will be dills. They're very large picklers. There is 5 half bushels, so that's 2.5 bushel. We'll be pickling and making some relish, some dill pickles, some sweet pickles, maybe some hamburger pickles. Since they're so big, we can actually do sliced and have hamburger pickles. Now these 3 boxes here are sweet banana peppers. There's a lot in there. I don't know if you can tell. The size of these are incredible. There's John holding that one. Like I said, these are sweet bananas. What we'll do is we'll wring these and pickle them. And some of them we will probably hold back and put into some hot sauce just to sweeten it up a little bit. Now, the jalapenos. These are cherry bombs. They're about the same Scoville level, a little bit less, I guess, than the jalapenos. It's 2,500 to 5,000 on a Scoville scale. And jalapenos can go up to 8,000. These jalapenos are nice. They're pretty nice. Now, I paid 70 cents a quart. So, there's 12 quarts in each one of these. And the total would be $16.80 for that box and that box. Our total price on all of this was only $109.50. So stay tuned, because there will be some canning videos happening. Y'all have a good one.